Whirring sound. Definitions. A rapid, continuous sound produced by something that is in motion, often associated with mechanical devices. Meanings. The sound made by an object when it spins or moves quickly, often suggesting a sense of speed or activity. Example 1. The whirring sound of the fan created a soothing background noise. Example 2. As the drone took off, it produced a distinctive whirring sound that captivated everyone. Master new words daily. Subscribe now and support us with a coffee. Link below.